The Oasis of the Seas is one of the world's largest and most innovative cruise ships, part of Royal Caribbean's renowned Oasis class. Welcome to our channel. This is Kelly with Cruise and Stay Insights. Launched in 2009, it redefined the cruising experience with its revolutionary design, featuring distinct neighborhoods like Central Park, Boardwalk, and the Royal Promenade, offering a wide array of activities from zip lining and surfing simulators to Broadway-style shows and gourmet dining. Oasis of the Seas provides an unforgettable vacation for all travelers of all ages. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or family fun, this floating marvel delivers it all in style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and comment on this video. Now let's step aboard and give you a brief overview of what you can expect aboard Oasis of the Seas. Here we go on our first Oasis class ship, Oasis of the Seas. Here we go. Ginormous. All right, ready for stateroom tour. Voila. We have a lot of room in here for interior stateroom. Very nice. Wow, impressed. The largest interior stateroom we've stayed in. And bathroom is nice. Huh, very nice. This is crazy that this is on a cruise ship. Yeah. I feel like I'm at Opryland Hotel. After dinner, we've come to get a drink before we go back up to the room, and we're on a neat contraption called the Rising Tide Bar, and it's a bar in the middle of the ship that goes from deck 5 to deck 8. Gives you a nice view of the promenade. Pretty cool. This is the boardwalk area. It's supposed to be like Coney Island. This is actually outside. It's on the back of the ship. They have a Playmaker sports bar here. They have a Sugar Shack, sweets and so forth. Johnny Rockets. Huge slide that goes from the 16th deck down to the 8th deck. See, this is not like a cruise ship. And then back here is the AquaTheater where they do aqua shows. Lights, Capcom.